Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. I'm telling you, I'll be a throwback when I get today. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Yeah, be a throwback when I get today. Today, Dawg, there with phone call. Bling, Dawg, and Vybz Kartel. This was one of the bangers. When this dropped, fun fact, I know that song I word for word, brother. I studied that song I word for word when it just dropped. Because I was that guy, like, me know what song like word for word. I mean that. Phone call, Bling, Dawg, Vybz Kartel. Jump to the one here and hear what the G say. Watch the video. It's a music video. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist. And big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
So obviously when I Bling Dawg all song I play and you see some youth coming in place and I robbing place. But why when I wear white mask though? We just follow down to that. White t-shirt and white mask. We just forward to that. Black man said this. So obviously the boss have followed out the airport. See the porter man push out him back there.
Girl shake the rum, dance the giggy. Got one eyes open like Renaissance dilly. Got my mind on my belly full of wanna get silly. Give me the hybrid, give me the dog. She blow it in the Philly. Fool don't touch. Man, you fuck up my Van Dutch.
Obviously, they been in them also ransack him room and thing and I search what them a search. I mean, know.
Drama them a bring please don't make the fan touch. No I could the man, woman me give me hush. Girl a ring off me mobile, keeping in touch. I wanna party with my shawty and drip a cardia. The girls them love me not just walk. More girls than the Mardi Gras. My gangsta living Douglas picking it up. Hey, I wanna party with my shawty and drip a cardia.
So obviously now, him just reach home and I don't notice what I go on. Phone call I got make it now. Watch it now.
Good sir. Even now.
Yo, them boy are dealing with wicked eh? Yo, no call on them bridge them see. I wish one bridge them can call. Alright, no call Kartel.
Call Kartel, no! What more? Hello?
Kartel, me have a problem, want to help me solve the case. I'm out me there find some boy ransack my place.
Me I go call one and bridge them. Which one bridge them can call? Me I call Kartel. Because him know say Kartel have the links, have the backative, and have the willpower and the mind to do what I do. Alright? Ready?
Kartel, me have a problem, want to help me solve the case. I'm out me there find some boy ransack my place. The neighbors see them face, them hang out, me know the base mode. I want to put it on, but only Father got grace. So what am I do?
I'm out me there find some boy ransack my place. The neighbors see them face, them hang out below the base. Me would want to put it on, but only Father got created. So I'm for do. You're Kartel now. You're Kartel. In love, you fuck, you know. Hear him now. Hear him.
The neighbors see them face, them hang out, me know the base mode. I want to put it on, but only Father got grace. So what am I do?
No, say nothing. Me a link you now. Me case.
Me a bring bullet by the boxes.
Guns by the case. The man say, yo, no say nothing. Me a link you now. You Bling Dawg. Me case. Me a bring bullet by the hey! Bullet by the boxes, gun by the case, bombs by the Navy base. Eh? Oh God.
Kartel, me have a problem, want to help me solve the case.
Yeah.
I'm out me there find some boy ransack my place.
Yeah.
The neighbors see them face, them hang out, me know the base mode. I want to put it on, but only Father got grace. So
what me do?
No say nothing. Me a link you now.
Me case.
Me a bring bullet by the boxes, gun by the case, bomb by the Navy base.
So I'm to squad them.
And nobody them.
100 man don't know we run the place.
Pull up!
Oh no! Yes, I'm take it from. Yes, sir.
Let's go!
Good sir. Even now.
Yo, them boy are dealing with wicked eh? Yo, no call on them bridge them for this. I wish one bridge them can call. Alright, no call Kartel.
Hello? Yo, that song about your freak. Alright, let's go.
Kartel, me have a problem, want to help me solve the case. I'm out me there, find some boy ransack my place. The neighbors see them face, them hang out, me know the base mode. I want to put it on, but only Father got grace. So what me fi do?
Nothing, nothing, me a link you know.
Me case.
Me a bring bullet by the boxes, gun by the case, bomb by the Navy base.
So I'm to squad them.
And nobody them, 100 man don't know me run the place, me soon reach.
Check the bridge, nobody take over ferry.
Man says, I want to squad them. Man say, you want to body them. 100 man don't know me run the place at the 100 man police station, them attack. They man say, yo, 100 man don't know him reputation. Don't worry about them, man. 100 man don't know some run the place. So even though me I got you, them are gonna stop me because I am me. Them know me. I are the one.
To squad them.
And nobody them, 100 man don't know me run the place, me soon reach.
Check the bridge, nobody take over ferry because the boy them have a roadblock out the idle primary. Ammunition you are carry, you know the needs necessary, you know who are chat up. Oh, the boy named Jerry.
Yo, that song yeah, when me used to do, me used to play it and sing the Bling Dawg part, and then me used to pull it up and play it again and sing the Kartel part. And that me used to do with that song, dog.
By the boxes, gun by the case, bomb by the Navy base.
So I'm to squad them.
And nobody them,
100 man don't know me run the place. Me soon reach.
Check the bridge, nobody take over ferry because the boy them have a roadblock out the idle primary.
Take the bridge, nobody take over ferry because the boy them have a roadblock over idle primary. So he might tell them which way if you go. Take the bridge, brother. Don't take out the ferry, brother. Take the toll.
Me run the place, me soon reach.
Check the bridge, nobody take over ferry because the boy them have a roadblock out the idle primary. Ammunition you are carry, you know the needs necessary, you know who are chat up.
Oh,
the boy named Jerry.
Twitter, with Jerry there when we are locked down Miami.
Twitter with Jerry there when me are locked down Miami. They want to say, yo, guess who chat tough to, brother? Him say, oh, him say Twitter. No, him say Jerry. And then him say, and then Kartel said Twitter. The reason why him said Twitter, cause Bling Dawg have a song named Twitter. Yeah.
Necessary, you know who are chat up. The boy named Jerry.
Twitter, with Jerry there when we are locked down Miami. In a killing, if one me ya oh.
Them a fi hire me.
If one me ya oh, that's a Bling Dawg, that's a Bling Dawg slang. Twitter with Jerry there when we are locked down Miami. In a killing, if one me ya oh, them a fi hire we. So him a use back Bling Dawg slang also in the song. Creative, you're freak.
Named Jerry.
Twitter, with Jerry there when we are locked down Miami. In a killing, if one me ya oh.
Them a fi hire me.
In a boy shot story, season board like Corey, skin made like Matt Flurry.
Yo, Kartel, hurry.
In a boy shot story skill. Yo!
The boy named Jerry.
On Twitter, with Jerry there when we are locked down Miami. In a killing, if one me ya oh.
Them a fi hire me.
In a boy shot story, season board like Corey, skin made like Matt Flurry.
Yo, Kartel, hurry. Fool wanna war, but it ain't
Kartel on him way.
See you on the squad, me watch it like TV. Copper shot to burn the fast like VD.
Ready for second verse?
Fool wanna war,
Big up Bling Dawg. Ready for second verse now?
Copper shot to burn the fast like VD.
Alright, Kartel reach. Watch out. Where really go on?
You remember stole up anniversary? You know the boy named Jeremy, a sexy girl named Kerry.
I saw a girl thing. Oh. So Kartel say, yo, what really go on? So Bling Dawg I say, yo. You remember stone of anniversary and the boy named Jeremy, a fucking girl named Terry? Ah!
What really go on? You remember stole up anniversary? You know the boy named Jeremy, a sexy girl named Kerry.
Oh, me know the brownie. You give me a friend named Terry.
Oh, I know the brother. Remember, say you give me a friend the same night, brother, man. Yeah, man, I'm gonna take a one and move, man. I'm team, man.
Anniversary, you know the boy named Jeremy, a sexy girl named Kerry.
Yeah.
Oh, me know the brownie. You give me a friend named Terry.
A girl feelings them, a carry them, a man with belly.
Oh, so that's where you found me out, cause a girl thing you depend. Alright.
Girl named Kerry.
Oh, me know the brownie. You give me a friend named Terry.
A girl feelings them, a carry them, a man with belly.
But we carry guns like Machine Gun Kelly, AK with Telly, Magnum has Kelly.
We carry gun like Machine Gun Kelly, AK with yo.
Belly.
But we carry guns like Machine Gun Kelly, AK with Telly, Magnum has Kelly.
Come to the gun where you
man say AK with Telly, AK with TV, got the AK with screen. We are say.
Kerry.
Oh, me know the brownie. You give me a friend named Terry.
A girl feelings them, a carry them, a man with belly.
But we carry guns like Machine Gun Kelly, AK with Telly, Magnum has Kelly.
Come to the gun where you have number we connect like Sally.
Yeah.
Yo! Welcome to the gun where have number we connect like Sally. What I mean by that? That gun that we have enough body pan it. That gun that have enough body pan it. It collect numbers. It collect yo.
Gun Kelly, AK with Telly, Magnum has Kelly.
Welcome to the gun where you have number we collect like Sally.
Yeah, them shots are no sweet to belly like Shelly.
Them shot in a sweet to belly like Shelly. It's sweet to the belly. Squeeze up the wrist like jelly. Don't Shelly. I'm going to react to that song there too.
Skelly.
Come to the gun where you have number we connect like Sally.
Yeah, them shots are no sweet to belly like Shelly.
The boy them rally back, can't tell me see about 5 of them. But Bling them have no gun. No, I bribe them.
The boy them rally back. Them just broke up in that boy them now. But guess what? The boy them not no gun. I bribe at them. I fool them, that gun back them.
Like Shelly, the boy them rally back, can't tell me see about 5 of them. But Bling them have no gun. No, I bribe at them. Our war not even Destiny Child survive again.
Our war, not even Destiny Child survive again. I'm a survivor, you are survivor. Not even Destiny Child survive again.
5 of them, but Bling them have no gun. No, I bribe at them. Our war not even Destiny Child survive again. Bow, another dump it on 45 again.
Bow, another dump it on him 45 again. In 45 just call a next number like Sally.
For them, our war not even Destiny Child survive again. Bow, another dump it on 45 again. It look like it connect. The boy I hold him neck, the 45 breeze cocking up. Then all the inch take.
So Bling Dawg, I one shot you having a gun. I one shot you having a 45 brother. You fire one shot out there and a breeze cock. Eh? How am you? Bling Dawg, if I'm me, Tweety, what go on? One shot you having a gun, man? Come on, man.
5 again, it look like it connect. The boy I hold him neck,
so the 45, the first shot in bus connect, the only shot in bus from the 45 connect.
45 breeze cocking up. Then all the inch take. Make me shot that one, yeah. Tomorrow fly to Nazareth.
Cartel, nah, miss out on the action, you know. Cartel say, make me shot that one, yeah. Mara fly to Nazareth. Yeah. Inch take him use.
Oh, boy like more than a straight out cigarette. Fool wanna war, but it ain't easy. See you on the squad, me watch it like TV.
Papa shut up on the body like VD.
But this should go to war like what you on CD. Fool wanna war, but it ain't.
Them say Kappa shot a burn your body like VD. Him could have said CD burner back in the days. Nero, you used to be in the program and them used to burn CD. I don't know about them thing the kids. I don't young. Nero. But him say VD. So I mean DVD like sure, you know?
Burn the fossil like VD. But this should go to war like what you on CD.
I really go on.
Wanna war, but it ain't easy. See you on the sport, me watch it like TV. Copper shot to burn the fossil like VD. You can't this cartel, you can't this Bling. Cartel, me have a problem, want to help me solve the case.
I want me there find some boy ramsack the place.
The neighbors see them face.
Them up when the base smooth. I want to put it on, but when the father got grace, so I'm finna.
Nothing, me a link you know.
Me case.
Me a bring bullet by the boxes, guns by the case, bomb by the Navy base.
So I'm to squad them. Yo, Bling Dawg, the entire Bling Dawg have a weight, you know. So Bling Dawg jump the fence like he look like nothing. Run him down, Bling Dawg, run him down.
Them up when the base smooth. I want to put it on, but only father got grace, so
I'm finna.
Nothing, me a link you know.
Me case.
Me a bring bullet by the boxes, guns by the case, bomb by the Navy base.
So I'm to squad them.
I don't know about them. 100 man don't know we run the place. We soon reach.
Take the bridge, nobody take over the because the boy them have a roadblock out the idle primary. Ammunition you are carry, you know the needs necessary. You know who are chat up. Now the boy named Jerry.
Twitter with Jerry there when we are locked down Miami. In a killing, if you me ya oh.
Them a fi Miami.
In a boy shot story, season born like Corey, skin made like Mark Flurry.
Yo, Cartel, hurry. Fool wanna war, but it ain't easy. See you on the squad, me watch it like TV. Papa shot to burn the fossil like VD. But this should go to war like what you on CD. Fool wanna war, but it ain't easy. See you on the squad, me watch it like TV. Papa shot to burn the fossil like VD. You can't this cartel, you can't this Bling. You remember stole of anniversary, you know the boy named Jeremy, a sexy girl named Kerry.
Oh, me know the brownie, you give me a friend named Terry.
A girl feelings, them a carry them a man with belly.
But we carry guns like machine gun Kelly, AK with Telly, Magnum Haskelly.
Come to the gun where you have number we connect like Sally.
Yeah, them shots you no sweet to belly like Shelly.
With O2, get the future in your hands.
This was one of the classics. This is one of the classics. Not a lot of people know this song, so I'm sure the comment section are gonna say, yo, I first hear that song, or I'm gonna say, yo, a long time I hear that song, you know? Yeah, this is one of them. This is Phone Call. Yeah, Phone Call by Bling Dawg and the teacher. We in the throwback segment, There's enough commenters say react to this, react to that. I will get round to them. We can't rush everything one time, you know. You see me? Me have to because enough song, you know. So when I remember a song, maybe flick through them and do them. You see me? Yeah. Girl tweeting and the song with Bling Dawg. The reason why Cartel call Bling Dawg Twitter, because him have a song and say, yeah, ticky and ticky. Yo, me not play this song. Make it. Yeah. Bling Dawg Twitter name. Bling Dawg Twitter. Anyway, this is my lead on the If you want to see more throwback reaction, click on them video where I float on the screen now. Zine. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.